This is seriously why I say shave in the shower. So last week I did a little short on the Old Spice bald care system, and it's the standard 3-step system. You cleanse, you shave, you moisturize, or you nourish. So I've gotten the chance to use it a few times, and let me say the value is great. I mentioned that in the first video, but it is confirmed now because this stuff is microdermal, so it's going to feel like a little bit of sandpaper when you use the cleanse, and that's kind of like a little bit of an exfoliating property to it, and it actually does a pretty good job. Then next up is this shave cream. Now this is foamless shave cream, or latherless if you will, and there is a little icon of what it looks like it's lathering up or sudsing up on the guy's head here. That doesn't happen, so don't waste it applying more thinking it's not lathering up for you. It's not meant to be like that. So it is clear, just a little bit of a heads up. So don't want you wasting this stuff because then the value just goes out the window. And then last up is the Nourish, or moisturize if you will. They also added SPF 25 in here, which is great. We all need a little bit of the sun protection for our noggin. So in the end, do I recommend this? Hell yes, especially for the value. In these days and times, we could all use just a little bit more value. That being said, Amazon's a great place to get this. I'm sure you can find this wherever you can, but I think I said I got this for around $24-ish on Amazon. Good value. Microdermal exfoliating properties in the cleanse. It is a latherless shave cream, so don't apply too much, and there's a little bit of SPF 25 in that nourishment.